So, hi guys, wait lang. Wait. Asan yun? Ayan, para may sinaw yung light. Magtutour tayo ng binili namin kahapon lang. Magtutour tayo. Napakalaki niya po. Ayan. Napakalaki.
It's all in shade now, so it's easier to read this putt than it would have been half an hour ago where the sunlight was dappled, but a little off the left-hand side, Anthony.
Yes, and it's downhill and it's quite quick and it's left a lot of putts short all day, so maybe they're helping.
So may bisita tayo guys, mga kapitbahay ko na friend. Kalay ka dito. So Bisaya po sila guys kasi hindi kami taga Maynila. Oh! Naumot siya guys. Dali ay. So guys, asa mamahod? Ay mamahod. Hindi siya mababa. So guys, akong friend guys. Wait lang. Pakita sa camera. Dila. Bata pa siya guys. Ayan.
So the other day we were all swimming, but something
so
crazy
si
happened.
Sir Donnie or 1Z.
And here's what happened after.
Maunang happen nga after. Ako sunod sa tubig. Anong bungol mo? Bungol mo? Hit that subscribe button and like our video!
So something crazy happened today, and we're about to talk about it.
So guys, ito yung first natin.
Oh my goodness, you are so cool.
Ito yung first binili namin.
It is a special
Itong
video. What kind of shorts are
itong
those?
drawing book guys. And nakulayan na namin. Ayan. So 20 pieces po siya guys. 20 pieces.
Oops, booty challenge. You got no chance, bro. You got no chance. Hey. Do your TikTok. Do a TikTok real quick.
And
he got everything that a girl wanted. So cutie.
Okay, that's one.
so guys, ito din yung Faber-Castell ang pangalan niya guys. Ang pangalan niya po guys. Faber-Castell 20 connectors pens. Ayan. 20 connector pen. So, madali lang itong vlog namin guys kasi nag-charge ako. And ito na naman yung next guys. Ito acrylic painter guys. Wait. Yes, acrylic painter. Ayan.
And then he jumps in after the ball. At least 1.4
Acrylic
seconds
painter.
later, Gucci decides to just look inside the pool. Now, we do not realize because my friend splashes really hard in the water, and then a second later, Gucci splashes, so we don't hear anything. And then we see somebody going like, oh, and then we see that it is Gucci trying to go out. Now, my friend starts going and swimming as fast as he can, trying to go save Gucci. He tells us that Gucci
Ito yung
is trying to get out,
panalaruan
and
namin
we
guys
start
in my
swimming,
ganito
trying for our life to go and get Gucci. And once we get Gucci, we put him out of the pool, and then he's safe as out. So the thing with Gucci is that he thinks that he's a little kid, and he gets very excited when he sees kids playing around.
So, tapos na guys. So, bye-bye.
He got excited, guys.
So guys, ito yung nila guys. Panglaruan to guys. Ay, panglaro-laro to guys. So, ito yung nabili namin. So, partner lang po siya guys. Hawakan mo nga, Zed. Ganyanin mo nga. Zed.
actually
Ganinin mo nga. Ano, kadiyot lang. Di ba? Ana sa, ana. Ana na, ipakita. And ayan yung nabili namin.
he's gonna talk to you.
Yeah, he's really super excited about this video because he loves Gucci. He sleeps with Gucci every single night. His dog Gucci, and he wants to teach him how to swim. If something ever happened to Gucci, he would be so heartbroken. We all would
What are you
actually.
bringing?
So guys, yan yung nako. And tapos na. And ito yung nakulayan ko mga guys.
You guys can see. Also, we instructors.
Ayan, ayan.
Who's
May
gonna be our
fruits
instructors
dito.
for today? Obviously,
Ayan.
as you guys know,
Tinatry ko muna baka hindi puminta. So, puminta naman, effective. And ito yung next. My name. My name guys. And ito, wala lang to guys.
are you sure you want that guy teaching?
Uy, wala yan guys.
Another choice?
And ito yung
Gucci,
yung
you ready,
to
bro?
guys.
The royalty family is cheering you on. They want you to learn how to swim, okay? They love you so much.
And, yeah. So, tapos mga ganyan lang guys. So, bye-bye.